is Stephen. And I'm here to explain more about the impacts of the astrophysics and exogenic processes on the landscape of Mangoji district and its surrounding environment in Malawi. In this video, I'll show you how these processes have contributed to the formation of landforms such as the Rift Valley, the Lake Malawi, and surrounding plains. Let me now introduce the location of Mangoji district. Mangoji district is located in the southern region of Malawi, alongside the lake shore of Lake Malawi. The area lies within the East Africa Rift Valley, so which makes it geological, active, and important in shaping its physical landscape. Like the way you see, yeah, that one is Mangoji district, and they are shaping. Now let me explain the astrophysics. The astrophysics refers to the internal forces within the Earth that cause the formation of the Earth's crust. So this includes the processes such as folding and budding. In case of Mangoji district, budding is the most significant process because it is part of the East Africa Rift Valley system. These tectonic movements cause the land to sink some areas. So the other area rise. So this leading to the formation of Lake Malawi basin and steep escarpments like Jola 2 Hills. These are one of the examples of steep escarpments. So like that. So these features influence the settlement pattern, like the way here people live. So people move from where the places is what lift or uplifting to settle the place where it is spring. So because the land were being influenced, so people move to the area where there is what spring. So another one is transport. And here, mostly people use the water transport for them to be maybe to transport the things to another side. So they use water transport for them to survive. And natural resources and availability of water, so makes people to do farming like irrigation farming. So these have been influenced the place here in Mangoji. Let me now switch to exogenic processes. When we talk about the exogenic processes, these are external forces that shape the Earth's surface. These include weathering, erosion, and deposition. When we talk about the weathering, this is the process of breaking down of rocks due to temperature changes, water. So here in Mangoji, our temperature ranges to up to 36, even 38 degrees. So this means the rocks to break, and due to heavy rains that have been really impacted for these rocks have been broken down. So apart from this one, so erosion. So erosion, the removal of these materials through agent like rivers. So agent like rivers. So this waves makes the the our soil that have been breaking down through the rocks to be what to be to be what deposited to where there's alongside the Lake Marombe. So after all this, we have the contribution of the astrophism and the exogenic. So in the astrophism, we all said that they have impacted the what the formation of lake. So here in Mongolia, so we have an example of Lake Marombe, as you see my behind. So that one is Lake Marombe that have been formerly through that this formation of impacted by the astrophism. So as exogenic, so we have on this. So as you as we as I say at the beginning, so I was saying that the weathering processes that they happen, the breakdown of those rocks that being from the soil. So those soil that have been washed or eroded and deposited here. So these are the one of the examples that the formation the formation of alluvial soil. So this is happening because of weathering process. So they've been deposited here as forming the alluvial soil that have been impacted in farming practice that the surrounded people so that benefit from this. So that's it. So i- apart from all this, so we can conclude to say that the landscape of Mangoji district has been shaped uh, by both external and internal. So understanding eh, all these processes is important because they influence settlement, eh, settlement pattern, agriculture, and tourism. In fact, about even also the transportation. So we can understand it in this way. So thank you for watching.